Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 5 best credit repair companies and services so that you can use them to improve your credit score and get your credit back on track. Whether you're deep in debt, maybe you have things in collections, that's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. What are the best companies that you can use to improve your credit and really just get your credit repaired and back where you want it so you can get it better and built up. Again, back to where you want your credit score. So again, if you want to check out any of the companies and services we mentioned here in today's video, and check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which could be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list of, again, the best credit repair companies and services. And first off, we're going to be taking a look at is this page here, done in partnership with money.com. We rank and put together the list of the best credit repair companies. Now, we've spent over 200 hours researching 22 different companies to determine the best credit repair services for you. And because improving your credit may result in lower interest rates and long-term savings, but no credit repair company can guarantee any specific loan terms or results. It's important to clarify that before we dive in. But of course, kicking off this list at our #1 spot here is Credit Saint. Now, they are our #1 choice and are offered as the most affordable credit help company. The advisory team helps you take the necessary steps to improve your credit health overall. They have a setup or first work fee along with some monthly fees, and then that is broken down here on screen. Now, some of these fees may be subject to change depending on when you're watching this video. Again, check out the links in the video description to get the most realistic and up-to-date pricing when it comes to any of these credit repair companies and services. Now, with Credit Saint, again, they have a setup and work fee, and they have those monthly fees. Again, it does depend on the range as to what you select. We'll be breaking that down in just a second on their website. And they have over 10,000 Google reviews at 4.8 stars and a 90-day money-back guarantee. If we click on Visit Site, again, available at the links in the video description, you'll take you right over here to Credit Saint, where you can call and get their access to their live experts. And you can select from a multitude of different plans and options. They have their clean slate with a first work fee and then a monthly fee, as well as a credit remodel and a credit polish. So they have a couple of different plans. Now, in terms of which plan might be best for you, they have these kind of broken down here in terms of how they either challenge the credit bureaus. You can help with this score tracker analysis, as well as creditor intervention letters, as well as their online chat support. So you have a couple different options here as far as which one might be best for you, depending on, if you need more personalized guidance to your credit, or if you maybe want to take advantage of some other programs and services that they have to offer. It just depends on what you're interested in. Again, feel free to check out the links in the video description. You can read through more information if that's what you want on Credit Saint. But again, they are our #1 choice here. It is pretty simple to get started. They do have you can sign up for free with no cost, no risk, or no obligation. Their experts will then review your credit, spot the errors, send the disputes, and then you can track the progress when you sign up for their different paid plans as well. Again, here with the credit polish, remodel, and clean slate. So you have clean slate. So you have a couple options, of course, and they can help you with a variety of different things when it comes to either collections, like I talked about at the top of this video here today, or maybe if you have late payments, foreclosures, charge-offs, bankruptcies, judgments, repossessions, liens, any kind of things like that. They can help you with. As you can see here, they've been working since 2007. People, have their credit score go from, the 600s up to the 700s. Basically just after a few months, some people have been able to get approved for a card, or maybe improve, removal of a charge-off or late payment. So again, depending on what your personal situation is, you can get a free consultation from them at the links in the video description, so that you can get a better idea as to what plan might make the most sense for you, and to how they can help you in terms of improving your credit score, of course. I've also done a more in-depth review of Credit Saint. If you want to check them out on the channel, I have a whole in-depth review on Credit Saint if you want to learn more about them. But again, you can call and they have their free consultation line, which can be pretty helpful before you decide to kind of which paid plan you may want to go with. Moving in at #2 in this list here today, you probably saw on screen already, is none other than Lexington Law. Now, Lexington Law, you can take steps toward improving your credit with a trusted legal team. They have licensed attorneys, paralegals, and personalized score improvement strategies. Now, they are a little bit more expensive, starting at that $139.95 per month. And they have $1 million in coverage in identity theft. And they have a mobile app that allows you to monitor the development of your case. And they have a free credit assessment that you can cancel anytime. So if we click on visit site and check out Lexington Law, you can see here, you can get the right direction for your credit repair. Now, you do get a free online credit assessment. That's a free credit score, free report summary, and free recommendation. Again, you just enter in some basic information. Now, Lexington Law is a little bit different, that they do focus more on the legal services aspect, where this is going to be more beneficial if you need people who are more going after the legal side of things, right? So hence their name, Lexington Law, right? That's more what they focus on, is the low-cost legal services for credit reports. So if you have maybe a more detailed case, or maybe something a little bit more complicated, they could be a good option for you if that's what you need, right? If you also want the personalized score improvement strategies, right, they have all those kind of things as well. And they can help you challenge different credit bureaus if you need to get something off your report. Again, if you want to have someone who's more of, again, they have licensed attorneys, paralegals, things like that, right? So if you have a more detailed case and you need to maybe fight your credit report a little bit more than, more traditional routes, they could be a great option for you, helping in terms of your credit repair. Again, they've been around since 2004 and helped over 84 million items be removed from credit reports. Moving in at number 3 in this list here today, we have is Sky Blue. Now, Sky Blue offers a single low-cost credit repair package. You can pause and resume your membership at will through your online account. They have setup or first work fees at $79. Again, pricing may be subject to change, and a little bit more for couples at $119. And they also have a monthly fee at different ranges. Again, we'll break that down in just a second as to what that looks like. They also have discounts available for couples. So Sky Blue is a little bit more couples focused in terms of building credit or repairing credit. And they do have a 90-day money back guarantee. If you click on the links in the video description, check out Sky Blue Credit. You can see they do have plans starting at $79 a month. So you can see your completed remaining where things are at as far as fixing your credit, right? How things are progressing, which is pretty nice and sweet with their app. So they do have a premium, full service, and basic option, right? So if you do want, and then they also break that down for couples. So Sky Blue Credit is a little bit more couples focused in terms of how that works. Now, if you do need more advanced like letters, cease and desist letters, or debt validation letters, things like that, that would be more in the premium range, whereas the basic version is more just like the reports and scores, some consultations as well as a score tracker. They do also have then that credit builder tool inside the full service, a little bit less time on the credit updates by comparison. But overall, if you do need more letters or more dispute related stuff, then I would probably go for the premium. Otherwise, the other ones are still good options. So again, you can go ahead and check out Sky Blue Credit at the links in the video description. And moving at number 4 in this list here today, we have is the Credit People. Now, the Credit People, all plans include unlimited disputes to all 3 credit bureaus. They have monthly fees ranging from $79 to $119, and a flat rate 6-month fee of $5.99 also is available, which is pretty cool. They do offer that, and they have first work fee of just $19. They have no other available type discounts, but they have a money back satisfaction guarantee, refunds the month you cancel the service and previous month for their satisfaction guarantee. If we click on visit site, we'll take it over to the Credit People. Again, better credit awaits. So that's their what they do, their pricing, as far as what that looks like, right? So this is, if you want to, if you're struggling to get approved for auto loans, home loans, new credit, then this is basically the results after their service. So people that are maybe struggling to get approved for new loans or new credit, they can help kind of walk you through with a free consultation. And then this is basically the process after you know, a lot of people end up getting, you see 78% approved, 71, 81, 74. So they help you through with a free evaluation with no obligation, right? To just tell you what your score is, go over the credit with you, and help you out. And then they can also provide you with additional services if you're interested in that. Again, with their more like detailed plans and pricing and how that works, right? So they have a standard, premium, flat rate. So the premium flat rate, right, if you maybe have a lot of work that's needed on your credit and you don't want to have monthly fees ongoing, that's another option. Not a lot of companies have that flat rate, so that is kind of cool that they do offer that 6-month flat rate compared to the typical kind of monthly fee pay-as-you-go. But if you just want the more basic stuff, you know, credit report, and credit score tracking, then that's fine, probably on the standard. But if you need more advanced like intervention, things like that, that's going to be more on the premium level. But Credit People is pretty reasonable overall if you're looking at the cost and how they can help and their overall results. It's not bad. So again, you can check them out. Links in the video description. They have a free consultation. You can see what how they can help you, right? Moving in, last but not least in this list here today, at number 5 we have is the Credit Pros. Now the Credit Pros, even the most basic packages include financial management tools. They have credit monitoring is included with every plan regardless of the price. They have a setup or first work fee of anywhere from $29 to $49, and with monthly fees of $69 to $149, a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you click on visit site, it'll take you over to the Credit Pros. You can enter in your information online here, and they can walk you through with a free credit score analysis and tips to help improve it. Again, then you just have to enter in some basic information, but that is, again, the Credit Pros. If we go to the site here on the Credit Pros, you can see that they do kind of, you know, walk you through with better credit starts here, right? They've been featured all over as far as what the Credit Pros does, right? Impact of good credit. And this is kind of like the main reason why you're probably watching this video, is for this reason here, right? You see the loan types, what the interest rate is you're going to be approved for. The higher the score, the better situation you're going to have when it comes to if you're worse off, you know, you're basically just not going to get approved at all if you have a pretty bad credit rating. Maybe if you get approved at a slightly higher score, well, your interest rate's going to be kind of through the roof. And as you get into that better ranges, you know, you end up saving a lot more money in the long run. So again, this I feel like this chart here from the Credit Pros really kind of helps guide you in the main reason is, of course, why you're watching this video, why you want to improve your credit overall, is because it helps you save money in the long run for things like basic things like a home loan, car loan. These are types of things that most people are going to need at some point. Even with a credit card, again, you shouldn't be paying any kind of interest on your credit card, but even in that case, right, it's going to be lower if you have better credit, right? Mainly going for the home loan, car loan are really the kind of biggest two there that a lot of people are going to have. The better credit, the better APR ranges you're typically going to see. So again, this is kind of like a big reason, or even just flat out not getting approved at all is another reason to improve your credit. So again, the Credit Pros kind of breaks it down pretty simply here with this little table chart, again, as to what you can get with them. And yeah, again, that is really essentially why you want to maybe work with some of these companies to help improve your credit so you can get approved for different important loans so you can, you know, move on with your life, whether it be home loan, car loan, or anything else, or just, you know, saving money or getting approved for things. Again, those bigger like purchases that you may need a better credit score for at the end of the day. So hopefully you guys found this list helpful on some of the best credit repair companies and services. Again, if you want to get access to this page here, which will be up to date no matter when you're watching this video, it's going to be that first link down below in the video description. But guys, that pretty much wraps up this video here today. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. But anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.